welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I already did my eyebrows off camera. Actually, I'm just gonna do my face and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. So we're gonna be using this palette right here, and this is Maddie Ziegler. This is the Imagination palette from Morphe. Like always, I really don't know what I'm going to be doing, but we're going to let these hands right here do the work for us. But first, I'm going to set my under eyes because I don't want the shadow to fall and mess up my foundation, mess up the work that I did. So I'm just going to set my concealer and everything in. I'm going to use this sponge right here, and I'm just going to set it just so if it falls and I won't be upset. And then when we're done, we just wipe that down. Alright guys, I look crazy, but I hope you guys do not mind. Let me see. The colors of this palette is so beautiful. So I want to see. I know for sure I'm going to be doing some browns, some orangey colors, some reddish brown colors. So I know for sure that's what I'm going to be doing. But first I'm going to place, this is M3. This color right here is a beautiful brownish tan color. So I'm going to be using a fluffy brush like this. And I'm doing windshield wipers move. Guys, lately I just been looking at the palette and just creating looks on camera, like straight, like just been creating looks like that. Before I used to plan out my looks, but now I'm just like been eyeing the color and just winging it. So hopefully this eye look comes out really nice for you guys. But I'm starting to realize me doing that, it comes out better because I'm not even thinking about it. I'm just winging it, and then it just comes out better and prettier. And I'm just like, wow, girl, you are really talented. So I'm liking that. So this is going to be the transition shade. I'm just placing this here so we can begin with the color of the process of the colors. I know I want something glam and something reverie, like girl look at me. So now I'm going to be placing this orangey brown color right here on the crease area, and I'm going to be using my fluffier brush. This is from Morphe, but this is actually a little, this is fluffy but it's like tapered. So I'm going to put it right here on the crease, and I'm just dabbing it because we want that color to pop. And then we're going to use a plain fluffy brush like this, and we're just going to blend out the edges just a little bit. And I'm just pulling it out because I want to wing it out a little bit. And then we'll do the same process and get that orangey color. And this is Kenny. Get that orangey color, and then we're just going to dab it again just to get that color more intense. So I'm going to do now the crease. I'm going to put Go Home, and it's this color right here, beautiful brownish red color. And I'm going to use this brush right here, and this is Morphe M433, and I'm not blending it. I'm just now, oh, this is like a beautiful, I thought it was going to be, it looks in the pan, it looks like a brownish red, but when I'm looking at it in person on the brush, it's like a plummy purple color. But anyways, we're going to dab that in the corner. I don't know if I want this brush. Actually, I'm going to use this brush, the Morphe M506 brush. because it's more taper. And I'm going to use that orangey color with the Morphe fluffy brush. And then I'm just going to blend the harsh line up top. And then I'm going to use a regular brush with no products, and I'm just going to blend that harsh line, smoke it out. And now we're grabbing that plum color and we're just going to intensify the color. Now we're going to grab that Kenny color and we're just going to bring out that orangey back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean out the crease. I'm going to use this cotton swab, my micellar water, my cleansing water, and I'm just going to clean out where I want to conceal. And then I'm going to use the dry part of the Q-tip, and I'm just going to dry that part out so I can conceal it and it could be easier and it won't be wet. I'm going to use this little brush right here, and I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Concealer, and I want to underline that. I'm going to use my flat brush. Now I'm going to grab that brown and I'm going to place it in the outer corner. Use this Morphe M441. Use a plain brush like that and just blend everything out. And I'm going to use this color right here, To the Moon, and I'm going to place that on the crease that I cut. Wow, this has a lot of pigment. So beautiful. And then I'm going to just blend all that out. I'm going to use this color again and that black color. Alright, I like that. Now I'm going to try to wing it. I'm going to use my Tarte Tortoise liner, and it's like this, and I'm just going to wing it. Alright, so now I like the liner that I did. I'm going to grab the black color. And then I'm just going to use the back part of the brush, blend it. And then I'm going to grab that candy color, that's like the orangey color once again, and then I'm just going to bring out that orange a little bit more. Alright guys, so I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. So I already did my eyes off camera, this eye, so now we're going to just finish the bottom and then we're almost done. So we're going to use this color right here, Go Home, and I'm going to use a taper brush. So I'm going to use my Sigma E20 like this little taper brush, and I'm going to use that Go Home, and I'm just going to place it underneath my waterline. get this color right here, this black color, and I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'm gonna tape it in my waterline. This Morphe brush is like a small little brush, and I'm just going to blend it out because we want that smoky effect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Huda Beauty, and I'm going to use the pencil side, this black side right here, and I'm just going to darken that up. And I'm going to use my MAC Studio Voluminous Mascara, and I'm just going to put that underneath my... I'm going to do my lashes now. I want to use this. I got this off of Amazon. This 2-in-1 self-adhesive eyeliner. This little kit right here. This is a eyeliner. It's like a magnet eyeliner, so it'll stick with any lashes. But it'll stick like it's glue. So it'll make the process go super fast. So we're going to, I'm going to place this so it says on top of the liner. I'm going to use this lashes right here, and this is Iconic 3D Mink lashes, and surprisingly I got these lashes from the dollar store, so I'm super excited to try these out. I haven't tried these out yet, so we'll see how they look on my eyelid. They're starting to have different type of lashes in there, so I'm pretty impressed about the lashes in the dollar store. I advise you to go check them out because you don't have to spend all this money on lashes when you can just find good pairs at the dollar store. I'm going to link this, guys, so you guys can go check it out if you want to buy it on Amazon. I think it cost me like, I don't know, not even like probably like $6-7. So if you guys want to check it out, you can check it out. But you guys seen proof right here how easy I just applied this. Put the liner in, and then you just put the lashes in, any lashes that you use. It doesn't have to be a magnet lash, and that to me is pretty cool. It does the process super fast. I love this. I'm gonna finish my face and then we'll be done. I'm gonna do my lips, finish my face, and then we'll be done. But the lashes, I'm obsessed with the lashes, and I hope you guys are obsessed with this look. So I'm going to put a little bit of blush on my cheeks. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetic, and this is the Weekend Vibe. It's a beautiful orangey toned of blushes. I'm going to use that on my cheek, this fluffy brush right here, and I'm going to use Georgia Peach and Just Peachy, these two colors right here. I like to mix up my blushes. This blush gives me like a natural look. I love it. I love this so much. Now I'm gonna just highlight, and then we're almost done, guys. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I'm going to use this golden color right here. So now we're going to do our lips. I'm going to use two combos. I'm going to use my LA Girl lip liner, and this is natural cream. It's like a brown color, and I'm going to use my 37 Angelique, and this is a beautiful brown color. We're going to go dark and bold. So I'm going to outline my lips. And now I'm going to get my lipstick. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Dewy Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray it over my face. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini eye tutorial. I felt super Egyptian, super glam. I'm going to link this eyeliner down below, so if you guys want to get it, you can just click on my link. But this is the 2-in-1 self-adhesive eyeliner. Super cool. I love this. This was, you see how fast I did it. I literally put the liner in, put the lashes in, and you don't need no glue, and you're good to go. But guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, bye bye.